Okay, let's do another one of the sample questions we just did, because it does get a little bit daunting. I just want to make sure that you feel comfortable in doing these. So again, we're going to be doing chapter 13. And I'm going to be continuing on page 229. And on this one, let's do number 9. So on the top of the instructions here, it says calculate the infusion and completion times. So again, we're solving for hours and minutes. And number 9 says an IV is infusing at 200 milliliters an hour and has 1,000 milliliters remaining. And the current time is 14:27. So we're going to again start with our hours here. So I'm going to start with hours on top. And I'm looking for my information that has hours in it. So here's an hour. So 1 hour, 200 milliliters are going to be administered. Since this is milliliters, milliliters has to come here. And so I'm going to plug in my 1,000 milliliters there. I'm going to put that over 1, because our milliliters will cancel out, leaving us with hours. So 1,000 divided by 200 equals gives us 5 hours. So this one's going to be easy. So we're going to take our 5 hours and add that to our 1427 hours plus 5 hours. So we'd still have 27 here. So 14 plus 5 gives us 1927. So that would be our final answer. So it would take 5 hours for 1,000 milliliters to infuse at 200 milliliters an hour, and then our completion time, if we started it at 14:27, would be 19:27. So let's do one more of these. We'll go ahead and do number 10. Again, solving for completion time, so I'm solving for hours and minutes. And number 10 says an IV is infusing at 73 milliliters per hour, and we have 425 milliliters remaining, and the current time is 2300. So starting with solving for our hours here. So I found my hours here. So 1 hour. In 1 hour, 73 milliliters are going to infuse. This is milliliters. Milliliters has to come here. So I'm going to plug in my other milliliter volume there. Milliliters would cancel out. So then you have 425 divided by 73. And that gives us 5.8219178 hours. So I know I have 5 hours here, and now I need to solve for my minutes. So minutes are going to go here, and since this is hours, again, we need to plug in just this because we're just moving this 5 up here. So in 60 minutes, there is, well, 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. And then, so hours here, I have to put hours here, so I'm going to put my 0.821917 hours over 1. So let's do that math. 60 times 0.8219178 gives us 49.31 minutes, and this is where we can round, so that would be 49 minutes. So 5 hours and 49 minutes is how long it's going to take to infuse. So I need to add this time to my 2300. So I'm going to go ahead and put that down here. 2300 plus 5 hours and 49 minutes. So I have 49 minutes here. So 23, again, you can only go up to 2400 for your military time. So we would do 2300, and then plus 1 would be 2400, and then we would go to 1, and then 01, 02, 03, 04, 49 would be our completion time.